Good evening! Yay! We're here at Chadela, aboard Barbara Grace. So far, in the afternoon, we get one big divot, another one, not so big, but yeah, respectable size. Divot again, two divot, and one super size chiki. And we have also tonight, this evening, the monsters start eating. One, two, three, four. Yeah. So slimy. Four do it so far. Okay, gunting. Those are gunting. Two do it, one tiki, and five gunting. We are here aboard Barbara Grace. Barbara Grace, as you can see, very. Ito ka dapat. Makita rin mo. Ipakita doon sa Baliya. Okay. Barbara Grace is a very comfortable fishing boat. Good for, ideal for 3 to 4 anglers. Here with me is Rene and Jerry. We have, as you can see, we have two lights for Apong, left and right, and icebox. We have icebox here, and icebox with some serving glass. And so very comfy. We're at Chadela, Misamis Occidental. Hopefully, before the evening ends, you can get at least 40 gunting, and if luck strikes, you can have apong, and there will be a lot of big strikes, no?
Signal light.
Okay. Nanay, adlaw, bulan?
Musiga na gabi, sir?
Oo.
Hindi kagabi musiga.
Yeah.
Ganihar na kasi ka.
Yeah. Okay. We have Barbara Grace is equipped with the latest sa mga tawag ka na? Signal light. It will automatically shut off during morning and turn on in the evening. Barbara is powered by Honda, 16 horsepower, and that's it. Hopefully, we can catch more fish, big fish tonight. Bye bye. Okay na.